I got a little bit of recording.
Yeah, this helicopter's a lot of fun.
It is. Actually, it's crazy.
And we got a 5-wheel that last month, and the tail came off because it hit so much shit. I just hover.
Yeah?
Just so I don't go upstairs.
No, I don't want that.
And that's happened already. Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Oh, it just. Uh-oh. I gotta turn.
You know how fast that thing goes?
Yes. I mean, it spins so fast.
It goes, well, when it has a lot of power, it'll spin like. Kind of crazy.
Real crazy.
You're good.
I don't want it to crash because it's hard to film in.
Alright, up and down.
I know. Oh.
Oh, I might be able to start it. Let's see. Ah. Hey, that was pretty cool. It went,
I'm gonna try.
that was dope. Let's see.
Sure was. Hold on.
Let me see.
Oh! Wait on. Oh!
You throw it so bad.
You have to wait on me till I'm ready to tell you, so I can get a good grip of it. All right, let's
I
try
feel
it
like
again.
it fucking broke after that. I felt like that broke because
I did too, but it
the way
didn't.
it crashed. It went straight down so quick. It just goes on that wall. It goes on that ceiling like it's nothing.
I know.
I'm telling you, these damn helicopters.
I love them though. For $5, you can't beat it.
Except they fucking.
They go crazy and nuts.
They break.
Well, and when they break, you're only out of $5, right?
Alright. Oh shit, it hit stuff. No. Oh shit. What are you doing? What's he doing?
You know what?
Huh? I didn't hear what you said.
I'll tell you later. Oh, oh.
It just hit that wall.
I know.
No.
Oh, oh, oh!
Look at it.